BROCHIKAS, what's good? For today's video, you're going to watch me pierce my own septum. As you can see, this is the aftermath. I have it in right now, and it doesn't even hurt, guys. Like, this is literally insane. But I bought a kit from Amazon. It's a piercing kit. I can link it below for you. This isn't like a tutorial, okay? This isn't like I'm a professional and this is what you should do, listen to me. It's not that. It's just me like letting you see my experience of me piercing my own septum. There's gonna be a lot of people who are gonna pierce themselves because quarantine, because shops are not gonna be open. Shops are not open in some places, they're open in some other places. Please ignore my left eyelash that keeps getting stuck in my own hair, okay? You don't need to tell me in the comments below, I see it. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're just in this time where it's like DIY everything because everything is so uncertain right now. So don't come for me if you disagree with me piercing myself at home. You can just tell somebody else your nonsense. I really don't want to hear it because I was really clean about it. I was really sanitary about it. And I was safe and I was confident. It's not like I was scared. I was very confident in it. I did a lot of research and I just, disclaimer, I am not a professional. I'm not saying you should do this. I'm not saying it's easy, do it yourself. I'm not saying that. And if you are underage, please do not do this without your parents' permission and or help. Please don't do this. If you're a grown adult, like I'm 30, I'm a woman, I can do whatever I want. If I want to freaking pierce myself, I can. Because I can do whatever I want because America, okay? So I chose to do it. Now, when I was younger, I've pierced myself several times. I took out my earrings because I dyed my hair today, but I pierced this one, I pierced this one, I pierced the one over here. You guys, if you follow my channel, you know, you've seen me with earrings, but I literally just took them off because I was dyeing my hair, but you can see the holes there, okay? I did those piercings myself. They never got infected. I was very clean and safe about it. I also pierced my own belly button when I was 16, which is definitely dangerous. Piercing yourself is dangerous in general, but I was 16. I did it and I passed out trying to put the jewelry in, so I definitely don't recommend this if you just don't feel comfortable doing it, if you don't know how to be safe and you haven't done your research and you're underage. Fucking do it, okay? Just don't do it. I was stupid, but I did it and it never got infected, luckily, and I still have it to this day and I love my belly button piercing. So I personally, for myself, feel comfortable piercing myself. I'm not saying that other people should feel comfortable piercing themselves or do it themselves. So if you're a professional piercer, don't come for me. Because I'm 30 and I can do whatever I want to my own body. And if I send myself to the emergency room, that's nobody else's problem but my own. So don't worry about what I do with my life and my body. Okay, so now that we're done with this huge disclaimer, I think it looks really, really cute. I love it. I'm so obsessed with it. I never thought I wanted a septum piercing until recently. I've always wanted the Medusa, but I was thinking to myself, like, if I take it out, I don't want another scar in my face because I used to have the Monroe piercing, and so I just have this hole in my face, and I also had my eyebrow pierced, and I have those holes in my face, and I was like, I just don't want to have any more holes in my face, you know? Because there's gonna come a time where I'm not gonna want it, just like every other piercing I've had. So I just didn't want any other like scars, and so that's why I decided not to do the Medusa, but I felt like the septum gave like a very similar effect as the Medusa. It's in the center of the face, you can bling it out. This is just the jewelry that I pierced it with. It's probably, when you go get it professionally done, you get jewelry like this. That's like your starter jewelry. And I pierced it with a 14 gauge needle, and this is a 16 gauge curved barbell, which came with my kit. So eventually when it heals, I'm gonna put some cute blinged out stuff in it, but I can't do it until it's healed, obviously. But I figured like when I do some cute blinged out stuff, it's gonna have that same feeling like a Medusa has on your face because it's on the center of your face, just under your nose. And I think it looks really cute. I wanna eventually pierce the other side of my nostril, or the other nostril, so that I can have like a double nostril in this because I think it looks super cute. I just put my stud in my nose piercing here, and I'm in love with this aesthetic. I love it. And if I get annoyed with it or it doesn't match with an outfit because I'm weird like that, I can flip it up. Or if I had to hide it for work, I can flip it up. And if I don't want it, nobody can see the scar. And that is the beauty of this piercing. I will tell you guys, it did not even hurt. Like, it's literally the least painful piercing I've ever had in my life. My ears hurt way worse. These hurt so much worse. Like, these to me were like a 5 each. The rook and the conch, 5 or 6. Like, those hurt, okay? My nose was like a 3. This was like a 1.5. And I'm not even trying to be like a hardo because like I have a pain tolerance. Like, even though I have tattoos and stuff still hurts, you know what I mean? But this literally went through like butter. Like, I couldn't believe that I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't mean to push it all the way through, and it's all the way through already. So now I'm gonna stop blabbing. I'm absolutely so happy with it. Look forward to more piercing videos because I am gonna be doing some other piercings very soon. And I'm just gonna roll the footage of me actually doing it. So have fun with that. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do end up doing it yourself because you're grown and you want to make your own decisions like I did, like, do you, it's your decision. Do not take this video as a form of education. It is not. And just be safe if you're gonna do it anyways. Just be safe. Okay, make sure you sanitize everything too. Okay, I'm gonna let you watch this. Thank you so much. Give it a thumbs up if you liked watching this, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will just see you guys next time. Bye. Brand new needle in the package. It's sterilized, but I'm gonna sterilize it again. Alcohol. Okay. Let it dry. Okay, so this is a hollow needle. This is a 14 gauge needle. This is a 16 gauge jewelry. That way this can go inside of the hole and I can bring it through. I washed my hands again. I'm not gonna use gloves because I wanna make sure I can really feel what I'm doing. Okay, sanitize my nose, marked my nose. I know where the sweet spot is. Sanitize the needle. I have the jewelry out. Did I lose the ball? Oh no, the ball's over there. I got my saline spray. I think we're ready to go. I don't know how good a view this is gonna be. I'm gonna focus more on my piercing than the view that you guys have, so I'm sorry if it's not the best, but I'm trying here. So my sweet spot is right here. And we wanna make sure it's up here, not back here. And so oh my god, I'm scared. Fuck. I didn't think I was gonna be this scared. Bring this mirror over here. Can't tell if it's straight or crooked. That didn't even like hurt that much. Oh my god. Bitch, what the fuck? I forgot to sterilize the jewelry, so I'm sterilizing that real quick. Wow, that was like way too easy. Oh my God, okay. I literally can't tell if it's straight. Yeah, there's gonna be mocos everywhere. Is it straight? Uh-oh, there's a little bit of blood. All right, let's get this ball on. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I'm gonna get this jewelry in, dude. I can't get this ball on.
You get it?
Oh yeah, it didn't even hurt. This was the least painful piercing I've had in my life. It was like butter. But I just literally can't get this fucking ball on, dude. I pierced it the second you went in the restroom, and this whole time I've been trying to put this goddamn ball on. It's just so tiny.
You want me to do it for you?
Your hands are too big. Look at how tiny this is. Look at that.
Babe, I work with shit way smaller than that.
You think you could do it without losing it?
You just lost one.
I know. You have to wash your hands though.
Nah, I'm good.
I swear he loves me. Okay, guys, I finally got the ball on. Literally, I'm just spraying some of my H2O. I've always used this on all my piercings in the past. And I'm just gonna clean up in here because I've been touching it a lot. But literally, trying to get the ball on your jewelry is worse than the piercing itself. I swear. Like, that was the bane of my existence. Like, this piercing did not even hurt. Even when I was like messing with it and touching it and trying to get the ball on, it didn't even hurt, like, at all. This is crazy. This is the craziest piercing I've ever had. And I don't know if you guys know much about my piercing history, but I've had 16 piercings. Some of them I still have in, some of them I took out, but this was the least painful of literally all of them. And I can't tell if this is straight or not. Like, I think it's straight. Like, I mean, even if it wasn't completely straight, I'm not doing this again because it's way too hard to get the ball. Not even because of the piercing, because of trying to get that ball on. But I don't know. Like, I think it looks pretty good. I love how small this ring is because, like, I do not like those huge bull rings. Like, that's not my thing. Okay, guys. I freaking did it, bro.